call it an eyebrow catching light, enhancing the sporty character compared to the basis car. We have this beautiful inlet, which is different. Also, there's a function inside. There's an air curtain, making the aerodynamics better. And here you can also see the power dome on the bonnet, showing that this car is a Gran Turismo that is a little bit more sporty. And what I would like to point out is the precision that the colleagues in Ingolstadt are able to produce the cars. I mean, every line is so sharp and perfect. That's really, like, I wanted to point it out. If we continue to the side, what we always try to achieve is directly at the center of the car. This blister is here the most outside. If you take a look from the front, this blister is going out. And like that, it's tapering, the line is tapering inside the car and creating this sculpture. So it's catching light and then it's beautifully running inside the volume. And together with the low shoulder, we had, like I was saying, like this area, you can see it right now perfectly. It's like catching light, bringing the car down. Then we have this nice sculpture. And we were concentrating on trying to get the most crispiness out of the line, and we did some tricks. Like if you take notice from up here, we kind of brought out a little bit the volume to show the crispiness of the line. The same thing we did here, and we did like a slight touch from underneath to give it a more precision to the line. As well, if you take a look here, there's also a break in the surface, and that break is, if you take a look from the side, the car is also dragging the car a little bit down, because that is catching light, and then the surface on top is a little bit more in the shadow. So the appearance is that it's a little bit lower. And if we continue on the rocker, as I showed you on the sketch, we have the sculpture here as well. We have the light catching with the shadow, and it's running beautifully from the front slowly to the back, showing the nice stance and the nice wheel distance to the car. And here also the DLO really fast angle in the back, showing also the genes of the first A7. And here we wanted to also enhance the precision with this little detail. And here I love this part because it's really like a sexy shoulder in the back. You know, it's like giving the car a lot of power. And we did the same like in the front with the blister. Over the center of the wheel we pushed it out, and like that we showed this nice sculptural feeling to it. If we go to the chocolate side of the car, to the back, because a Gran Turismo is like a hatchback, the most important thing is always the back. Because hopefully the car is fast and is always overtaking you, so you see it often from the back. Here once again, the Titro badge, we raised it compared to the first A7 for 33mm. Like that, we had like a whole new world open to design this 3D sculpture. So we have once again the 1/3 shadow, 2/3 light, as well here in the light, and it's playing together beautifully with the inserts, which Cesar is explaining you tonight. Also here you can see the elements from the side, since we have this strong 3D. And here once again 1/3 shadow, 2/3 light, and together with that it's beautifully playing together to enhance the proportion of the car. Here, since it's the S-line, the same like in the front, we have this light catching feature, giving it more like sportiness to it. And together with this UFO light, I think everybody at night will recognize, alright, this must be the new A7. Then at the beginning we also thought the A7 should be a very simple car. So we were thinking of a woman without too much makeup, you know, so we tried also to do some tricks. And the first A7 had the spoiler here. We had 2 shot lines, and we managed to hide the second shot line underneath here to make it as clean as possible. So when the spoiler is coming up, you just need one shot line here. The same if you take a look on the other side where the cap is for the petrol. On the first A7 it was cutting over the edge, and we designers cry if they want to destroy our lines. So we managed somehow to put it over the shoulder. You can take a look on the other side. All right, thank you. If you have any questions.